dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine all at your home. Today, students, I am going to tell you about the chapter addition and subtraction, and there is the worksheet 3. We have done addition, how to add 2 numbers, 3 numbers like this. We have read about it. But today we will discuss here the addition of some special type of numbers, and that are some numbers having zeros at that place. But if you are adding, suppose you have 30 plus 40. If you are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 plus 40, 40. It's enough. It's very typical for you. So there is a trick which you have used to add this type of numbers. Let's see there. These type of numbers are like this, and then you can add these numbers easily if you know about that trick. Okay, students, you are remind it in the only mind. Don't write and don't take it in the notebook. There is the questions which you have done in your mind. Okay, students, now I am telling something that how to solve these questions easily. There are addends. These are two addends here, 70 plus 20. How to add both the addends? There is a 0. Firstly, we check here that there are the addends in the same groupings. These addends are in the same groupings. These are the addends here, and same grouping is here. This is tens and this is also tens. Is it clear, students? This is tens and this is also tens. And here is also both are in the tens grouping, and there is also in the tens grouping. You all are seeing there. All have to be in the same groupings. Then you can add easily the questions. These are in the same groupings. These are in the same groupings. These are in the hundreds groupings. Is it clear? And these are also in the hundreds grouping. 200, 300, 200, 400, 300, 100. These are also in the same groupings. 2000, 3000. These are also in the same groupings. Is it clear, students? And 5000, 11,000, 2000 also in the same groupings. These are in the thousands group. And same here, 13,000, 3,000 and 13,000. These are also in the thousands group. Same group is there. 47,000, 13,000 is also in the same grouping. Then this is the first step. To check here that all the numbers which you want to add are in the same groups. Is it clear, students? Now we have seen here that number of zeros in the right side, hence in the sum there. Students, you are seeing here only 1 0 is in the right side of the number. Is 1 0 here? Then the sum, in the sum there is 1 0 put at the right place. How to check? 70 plus 20. We want to add this number. There are two addends, 1 0 on the right side in the both numbers. So we are putting 1 0 on the right side here. Is it clear, students? Now we are add only the two numbers, 7 plus 2, and that equals to 9 here. It means what is the number here? That is 9, and the number becomes equals to, that is 90 here. 70 plus 20, that is equals to 90. If you count that type, 70, 20, 0, adding 0 ones place digit, adding tens place digit, that is equals to 90. It's very time consuming. It's in the short time. Is it clear, students? I'm explaining again, repeating again. You can easily understand. If you understand this question, then you can easily solve all the questions. So, trying to solve this question first. Again, I am giving the explanation. There are the two addends, 70 and 20. First check, these are in the same groups. These are in the same groups. This is in the tens group. Tens group. This is also in the tens group. So, both are in the tens group. It means same. This condition is satisfied here. Now we are checking here that how many number of zeros are there in the group here. Only one zero in the tens group. So there is in the sum there is also the 1 0. Put there the 1 0 here. And now we will take the addition of without zero numbers 7 and 2, that is 9 here, and put this 9 to there. Is it clear, students? And this is the solution. Now there is the 90 number. Now we are trying again. First check the same groupings, 30 and 40 same groupings. And what group is there? Yes, tens place digits are tens groups are there in both the numbers. First, there is only 1 0 in the right side of the numbers. So put the 1 0 on the right side of the numbers and then adding both the numbers. 3 plus 4. Tens place digits are adding there. This is the ones and this is tens place digits are 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that equals to 7. Yes, this is 7 here. Now we will calculate this number. This is in the check first. In first step, check these are in the tens group. Yes, these are in the tens group. So we can easily solve it. There is 1 0 on the right side to every number. So put 1 0 on the right side to the sum also. Clear? Then this becomes equals to 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Is it clear, students? Now we are taking here, these are in the same groups. Yes, all the numbers are in the tens group. So we can solve easily this question. There are 1 0 on the right side on every number. So putting 0 on the sum also on the right side. And in left side, what number we will have there? 3, 2, 3. Adding these numbers at the tens place digits. Adding these numbers, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. That equals to 8. Now again, this is also in the tens group place. So this is, there is also the 0 on the, 1 0 on the right side. So now we are adding the tens place digits. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. It becomes equals to 90 there. Now we are adding the hundreds groupings numbers. 100 grouping numbers are these numbers. So, but there are how many zeros in the right side? 2 zeros. It means in the sum also we are putting there the 2 zeros here. This and this. In the right side there are 2 zeros, and what in the left side? There are the hundreds digits here, 9 and 5. Adding the hundreds digit and put them in the sum. 9 plus 5, that equals to 14. It means this is 1400. And one question more. There are 2 digits on the right side. Both are in the hundreds grouping. And there are right side there are 2 digits. So in the sum, they are putting the 2 zeros on the right side. And 7 plus 2, that equals to 9 here. Now we are adding these numbers. There are 3 numbers. Nothing. But there is hundreds groupings. We know. But there are in right side there are 2 zeros. So in the sum, there are we putting here 2 zeros. And now taking the addition of hundreds place digits. How many hundreds? 1, 2 and 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 hundreds are there. Now we are solving this question. This is also the same type. These are the hundreds groupings numbers. 100 grouping numbers. There are 2 zeros on the right side. So putting in the sum. 2 zeros in the sum also on the right side. But on the left side, we are adding the hundreds place digits. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, that equals to 7 there. Is it clear, students? Now again, next question is on also the hundreds grouping. In hundreds grouping, we are taking 2 zeros on the right side. This one is there, this one is there. And adding the hundreds place digits. These are adding here. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, that equals to 8 there. Now we are adding the thousands. These are the thousands grouping numbers. Thousands grouping numbers. There are 3 zeros here. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in both the numbers. So place in right side in the sum also, putting there the 3 zeros. Let's see there 1, 2 and 3. What will come here on the left side? Adding of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 adding here. 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. And that are the 5,000s here. Now we will add in here these numbers. First check in which grouping they consist. These are in the thousands grouping. Okay, students? These are also in the thousands grouping. So in thousands grouping, there are 3 zeros on the right side. So in answer, in the sum also, we are putting there the 3 zeros here. This. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, and same here in the sum. They are putting here 3 zeros. Now we are adding 5, 11, 2. Thousands digits we will add here. 5, 11 and 2. 5 plus 11, that equals to 16, and 16 plus 2, that equals to 18. This is the 18,000 number. Now we will add here these numbers, that is 30,000, 3,000, 13,000. This becomes equals to 13 plus 3. These are also in the thousands grouping. So there are 3 zeros in the right side. So in the sum we will put the 3 zeros on the right side. This is as. Is it clear, students? Now we are taking in the left side what number? Thousands place digits. Thousands place digit. How many thousands are there? 13,000, 3,000 and 13,000. 13 plus 3, that equals to 16, and 16 plus 13. Count this. 16 plus 13. That is 29. 29,000 is the number here. Is it clear, students? Now we are adding this number. This is also in the thousands grouping. So students, this is also in the thousands grouping, and there are 3 zeros on the right side. We will put there in the sum also. There are the 3 zeros, and adding thousands place digits. And thousands digits are 47 and 13. 47 and 13. We are adding both the digits and place there the thousands places. So these are adding here, that is equals to 60. That is 60,000. Adding 47 and 13, and then we will get here the 60. This will put it there. Is it clear, students? I hope all questions you have understand, and now you can solve easily all the questions. Okay, students? Yes, students, we are seeing there that this is the worksheet 4, and in worksheet 4 there are the word problems. In word problems, these are the word problems related to addition only. So students, this is very easy to find the solution because you are doing here only the addition. But firstly, we have to understand the meaning of the lines or that language which is written in the question here. So students, listen carefully and translate it to the Hindi and understand it what this question wants to say here. So students, there is the question number A. In an examination, 29,456 candidates passed. In an examination, 29,456 candidates passed, while 57,281 candidates failed. 29,456 candidates passed, but 57,281 failed. How many candidates appeared for the examination? How many candidates? Number of candidates, you will find here the number of candidates total appeared here. In your class, there are 25 students or 30 students. If some students, 2 students are failed there, then how many candidates are, there are 28 students are passed there and 2 candidates failed. So, total number of students, how many total number of students are there? Yes, 20 passed and 2 failed. Total students 20 plus 2, it means 30 students. Same here doing like this. In an examination, there are some passed candidates and there are some failed candidates, and you have to find here that total candidates appeared in the examination. So see there, question number first, part A. Number of passed candidates are this, number of failed candidates are this, and you have to find the total number of appeared candidates. You have to find here the total number of appeared candidates. How many total candidates are appeared here? So students, you are looking here that there is the addition. We know about it, but how to add? Same here doing like this as in the worksheets, first and second and third. So students, was adding here the ones place digits. 6 plus 1, that equals to 7 there. 8 plus 5, that equals to 13, and in 13 3 tens but 1 hundreds. So carrying 1 in the hundreds place digits. So how many hundreds are there? 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, that equals to 7 there. Now we are adding here the thousands place digits. How many thousands are there? 9 thousands and 7 thousands. Total thousands are there, that is 9 plus 7, 9 thousands plus 7 thousands, that equals to 16,000. And in 16,000, 6 is the thousands, but 1 is the 10,000. So 1 is carrying in the 10,000s place digit. So this is the addition here, 10,000 place, 1 10,000, 2 10,000 and 5 10,000s. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5, that equals to 8. That is 8 10,000s are there. There are 8 10,000s. So students, total number of appearing candidates are 86,737 students are there. This is students. Now, candidates. Is it clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. In the next question, there are a library. In a library, there are some science books and there are some maths books and there are some Hindi books. So, in a library, the number of science books are 11,250 and there are number of maths books that are 21,312 there, and number of Hindi books are there 20,143. But in the question, they are asking that you have to solve here you have to find here how many total number of books in the library. Total number of books in the library. There is, we have to find here the total number of books. So some are Hindi books, some are Hindi books, and some are science books, and some are Hindi books, maths books, and science books are there. So we have to total all the books. There are total here. So for total we are to add there. So students, we are adding here the ones place digits first. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 0, that is 5 here. Adding tens place digits, 5 plus 1 6, and 6 plus 4, that is 10 here, and 0 tens and 1 hundreds. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7. There are 7 hundreds there. And now we have to add here the thousands place digit. How many thousands? 1000 and 1000. That are 2000s are there. So this is 2000. And now we are adding here the 10,000s place digit. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. That is 52,705. And this is books in the library. These are the total number of books in the library. Is it clear, students? Now we will go to the next question, and there is the next question is there. In a school, there are 1,752 students in a primary classes. Suppose you are in the school, in the pre-primary or primary or middle classes and even else, but there is a question that in your school, in the primary classes, there are 1,752 students. In the middle classes, there are 1,825 students, and in the senior classes, there are 1,790 students. So you have to find here the total strength of the school. How many total students are there in the school? You have to find here. There are given that number of students in the primary classes, number of students in the middle classes, and number of students in the senior classes. So you have to find here the total strength. And for total strength, you have to add there all the numbers. Number of students in the primary classes, number of students in the middle classes, number of students in the senior classes, which are given as. And you have to find here total strength of the school. So clear it. 2 plus 5, that equals to 7. 5 plus 2 7, 7 9 16. There is 6 here and 1 carrying here. 7 plus 1 8, 8 8 16, and 16 plus 7, that is 23, and carrying there 2 as the thousands place digit. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. That is 5,367 students. This is the total number of students in the school. Is it clear, students? These are the 3 questions here. Now go to the next question. Now students, there is the next question. In the next question, there is asking that cost of, I have read first question first. There is the question here. The cost of a black and white TV set is 3,690 rupees. There is the cost of black and white TV set, that is 3,690 rupees. Now the cost of the color TV. This is the cost of black and white. Now there is the cost of color TV set is 12,810 rupees. 12,810 rupees more than the cost of black and white TV set. More than the cost of black and white TV set. Which cost is black and white TV cost, whose more than the 12,810 cost is color TV cost. Okay students, now we have to find the total cost of both the TV sets, and we have to find here the total cost of both the TV sets. Now see there, the cost of black and white TV set is 3690 rupees, and the more cost of color TV set has more value than black and white TV set, that is 12,810 more value is this, and color TV set more value cost is this. And now you have to find the color TV set cost of color TV set. Cost of color TV set is adding the more value to the black and white TV set value. This is 0 here, 9 plus 1 10, it's 1 carrying in the hundreds place, 1 6 7 plus 8 15, that is 5 here, and 1 carrying to the thousands place, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6, and 1 is at the thousands place, and this is the cost of the color TV. Is it clear students? This is the cost of color TV. This is the cost of color TV, and this is the cost of black and white TV. Is it clear students? Now we have to find the cost of both the TV sets. We have to find the cost of both the TV sets. Black and white TV cost is given here, and we have find here the cost of color TV set. So we have to add both the cost here. Cost of both the TV sets. This is the color TV set, and this is 16,500 is the color TV set, and we will add here, we will get the total cost here. This is 0 9 6 5 11. This is adding here 6 plus 5 11, and 1 is carrying in the thousands place, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, and 1 is adding to the 10,000s place, and 1 plus 1 that equals to 20, that is 20,190 rupees. This is the total cost of both the TV sets. Is it clear students? Hope so you have cleared this question. This is some typical question, but if you can easily understand the language, then you can easily solve this question. I will again repeat this question. Cost of black and white TV set is this, and more cost of color TV set. Color TV set is more cost than the black and white TV set, and more cost is 12,810, and cost of black and white TV set is 3,690. So adding both the numbers, we will get here the cost of color TV set. This is the cost of color TV set, and this is the cost of black and white TV set. So we are adding the total cost of both the TV sets is black and white TV set, and the color TV set cost is adding there. This is the total cost of both the TV sets. Is it clear students? Now go to the next question. Raman purchased a house for rupees 6,65,700 rupees. He spent 2,975 rupees on its repairs. He has purchasing a house, and house cost is 6,65,700, and he repairs his house like painting and some repairs also. There are some problems in the house like some broken things, and we have to repair them to utilize before. So we have to find the amount he spent in all. We have to find the amount spent in all. Total amount spent by him on his house we have to find here. First, he has purchasing his house. That cost is 6,65,700, and he repairs his house. So cost of the repairing house is 2,975, and we have to find here the total amount spent in all. Amount spent is the total, adding here 0 plus 5 that equals to 5, 0 plus 7 is equals to 7, 7 plus 9 that equals to 16, that is 600 and 1000, 1 plus 5 that is 6, 6 plus 2 that is equals to 7 and this is 6 and this is 6 here. These are the total amounts spent in all on the house. 6,67,675 rupees. Okay students, you have got very well all the questions. Okay, you have done all the questions and you will do in fair notebook clean and neatly. All the questions should be there. So students, bye. Have a nice day students. Yes.